Students, class 2 Arachnida. Okay, from the Kelcerata. Subphylum Kelcerata. Class 2 Arachnida. These are terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals lives on land surface, on the land. Lives on the land. A student body is divided into two parts. In this, prosoma is the first part. Prosoma is the first part, and the second part is opistosoma. Prosoma is with one pair chelicera. One pair chelicera helps in capturing of the prey. Next student, another one pair pedipalp. Okay, handle the food particles. Next, four pair walking legs. Student, prosoma is with one pair chelicera, one pair pedipalp, four pair walking legs. Okay. Next student, another mesosomal appendages. Appendages from the mesosoma, opistosoma divides into two parts. These are, one is mesosoma, another one is metasoma. Mesosomal appendages modified into bouclans in the scorpions and some spiders. These are the bouclans are act as, these are respiratory organs, bouclans. Next student, four pair posterior abdominal appendages. Posterior abdominal appendages. Four pair posterior abdominal appendages are modified into spinnerets in spiders. Okay, these are the silk spinning structures. Spinnerets present in spiders. Okay. Next student, and the respiratory organs are bouclans. Respiratory organs are bouclans and trachea, and in both. Okay, in some animals. Respiratory organs are bouclans in scorpions, some spiders. Next, trachea are also respiratory organs. Trachea in some spiders. Some of the spiders having both type of the respiratory organs, such as bouclans and trachea. Respiratory organs are Malpighian tubules. Excretory organs. Excretory organs are Malpighian tubules and coxal glands. Coxal glands, Malpighian tubules are excretory organs in these animals. Next, development is direct student. Direct development is present. There is no larva stages. And scorpions are viviparous, produces offsprings. Okay, these are the animals not laying eggs. These are the scorpions produces offsprings from the mother's body. Scorpions are viviparous. Next example, Pelomnius scorpion. It is the scientific name of the scorpion, Pelomnius. Next, spider. Scientific name is Arania. And Ichmyid causes itches. Sarcoptes. Sarcoptes is the ichmyid. Next, under subphylum 3 student. Subphylum 3 mandibulata. Mandibulata. Okay. First one is Trilobita. Second one is Kelcerata. Third one is subphylum. Third one is Mandibulata. Mandibulata, these are the animals lives in aquatic media and also on the land, terrestrial. Okay. Next, these animals body is divided into two parts, cephalothorax and the abdomen. And in some, body is divided into head, thorax, abdomen. Student, mandibulata, in animals present in subphylum mandibulata, head bears antenna. Head bears antenna. Antenna are the sensory structures. Next, mandibles. Mandible student and maxilla. Maxilla are the helps in manipulation of the food particles. Next student, subphylum 3 mandibulata is classified into four classes. This first one is class 1 crustacea. Crustacea, the class crustacea. Okay, these are aquatic animals, lives in water lives in marine water, lives in fresh water. And head is combines with the thorax, head is fused with the thorax and forms the cephalothorax in these animals. Entire the part of the cephalothorax in these animals covered with the chitinous carapace. This is the carapace, is the exoskeleton structures which covers the cephalothorax in these animals. It is made up with the chitinous carapace. Student, in some animals, this is the exoskeleton structure is hardened by formation of the calcium carbonate, such as in crabs and lobsters. In crabs and the lobster, this is the exoskeleton structure is hardened by formation of the calcium carbonate. Next, cephalic region, student. Cephalic region, that is with two pairs of the antenna and one pair mandibles and two pair maxilla. Totally 5 pairs. Cephalic region is with 5 pairs appendages. In these 2 pairs antenna, 1 pair mandibles, another 2 pair maxilla. Next, appendages are biramus, student. Appendages are biramus. Respiratory organs are gills, bronchia. Gills also called bronchia. These are the respiratory organs in crustaceans. Which are the respiratory organs? Gills are the respiratory organs in crustaceans. Next, student, excretory organs. Excretory organs are green glands, also called antennary glands, present at the base part of the antenna. These are green glands, also called antennary glands. Sensory organs. Sensory organs in these animals: antenna, compound eyes, statocyst. Statocyst, compound eyes, antenna are the sensory organs. Next, development is indirect with many different larval forms. Okay. Next example. Which are the example for class crustacea? Peliman, freshwater prawn. Peliman, freshwater prawn. Cancer, crab. Cancer is the scientific name, crab. And Belanus, rock barnacle. Belanus, rock barnacle. Next, Saculina, root-headed barnacle. Saculina, root-headed barnacle. And Astacus, crayfish. Astacus, crayfish. Daphnia, water flea. These are the example for class crustacea.